Today we are going to see drawing locking methods. Generally, there are the two drawing locking methods. One is snapshot and second is complete. Actually, these methods are typically used when managing large assemblies to reducing system load or when working with the design that require fixed and unchanging views. Okay, so in front of us we have one model and I place the view and give the random dimensions. Okay, so this all the drawings, this all the views are updated here. Here you can see up to date all the green lines. Okay, so I'm going to change in something in the model, delete face, and by using boss and pocket I deleted the whole things for the right side. Okay, then when I go into the drawing again, if you're able to see, all the views are asking for the updates. Okay, so if I click on this clock, all the views are updated. Okay, so in this case I not require this, so I'm deleting this, update it again. Okay, now let's see how to log the drawing. So so this first view which I did in, this is imported top 6, we are going to log by using snapshot method. Here when you go to the settings, in configuration, go to the lock method, drop down the none and click on the snapshot, click OK. Just see this, just like a wavelength geometry, non-associative symbols appear on the left side of the view name. Okay, and up to date also the same, that is the view is the snapshot, the symbol means. Okay, then this below, this is projected R27. We are going to lock by using complete method, complete method, click OK. Here just this two symbol is different, one is a snapshot and one is a lock view, that is a completely lock view. Now again I'm going to the modeling environment and again I'm deleting this one. Okay, and OK and go to drawing, the, all the views required to up to date. Okay, instead of these two, that is this one which is a snapshot and this one lock, one completely lock. Okay, so I'm updating the remaining views. If you observe, all the views are updated instead of these two, the right side portion is eliminated. Okay, but this, that one view is keeping because we lock this one. Okay, so case study is when we use the snapshot one and when we use the complete lock method. Okay, so for snapshot primarily used when performance is concerned and allowing to viewer to be saved as an image. Okay, and still if you want to manipulate the dimension nodes and other annotations, that time only you need to use the snapshot type locking method. Okay, and while using the complete lock method, actually this complete lock method is more restrictive and preventing all the types of modification to the views, so making it ideal for finish or approve design. That's when your design is final and you are going to release the design to the production, that time only you use the complete type locking method. Okay, thank you.